Hi and welcome back to Cheeky Crypto. My name's Chris, and every day we go through all the latest news regarding cryptocurrency. We talk about hidden gems, so you can get in early and make lots of money, and we also do technical analysis. So if that's your bag, don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, and hit the bell, selecting all notifications so you don't miss a thing. Right, let's get into what I've got in store for you today. This is just a video just to sort of, I don't know, on reflection from the Binance FCC video. It's clear from the comments that people really don't know what it is that they hold, and I really wanted to just put a video together just to support people with understanding what it is that you hold, and to be an enabler for you to work out whether it's an exchange, a utility, or a security token, right? So this should be really informative and should really help you out. So don't forget to smash that like button. Let us know if you have any other questions that we miss in this video. Okay, so this is the Crypto Asset Task Force final report. So this is a PDF. I will share this within our Telegram group. So if you're not following us on Telegram, nip into our Telegram group and you'll be able to see this and go over it at your leisure. But what I'll do is I'll go through this, and hopefully this will enlighten you and help educate you to understand what it is that you've actually invested in, right? And whether it's a utility, a security, or an exchange token, for example, right? So let's get into it. So crypto assets, I've just gone straight to the important stuff here that is really sort of going to support with the concerns around Binance. So crypto assets are one application of DLT, so that's the decentralized ledger technology. While all crypto assets utilize some form of DLT, not all applications of DLT involve crypto assets. Current most common crypto assets are issued on permissionless ledgers. Okay, so that's pretty straightforward to understand there. 2.10, there is not a single widely agreed definition of a crypto asset. Broadly, a crypto asset is a cryptography secured digital representation of value of contractual rights that use some type of DLT and can be transferred, stored, or traded electronically. Examples of crypto assets include Bitcoin and Litecoin and other cryptocurrencies, and those issued through the internal coin offering, an ICO process, often referred to as a token. The market is consistently evolving, with new and different crypto assets being developed, and around 2,000 currently in existence. So this is from like 2019. There isn't an updated version. This is most up to date when it comes to the FCA, and there's another 8,000 plus on top of from when this was written, right? There was 2,000 when this was written. There's now over 10,000. So let's move on to 2.11. The task force considers there to be 3 broad types of crypto asset, right? So this is important to get your head around, right? So in the UK, there's only 3 types of crypto asset according to the FCA. Exchange tokens, right? So listen up, which are often referred to as cryptocurrencies, such as Bitcoin, Litecoin, and equivalents. They utilize a DLT platform and are not issued or backed by a central bank or other central body, right? So for example, Cardano, ADA. So this is not backed by a central bank or a central body, right? So that would be an exchange token, right? They do not provide the type of rights or access provided by security or utility tokens, but are used as a means of exchange or for investment. Okay, so we could kind of say that that's kind of like ADA, for example, would be kind of like Ethereum in a way, right? Which would be classed as an exchange token in the UK. Okay, security tokens, which amount to a specific investment as set out in the Financial Services and Market Act 2000, Regulated Activities Order RAO. These may provide rights such as ownership, repayment of a specific sum of money or entitlement to shares in future profits. They may also be transferable securities or financial instruments under the EU Market in Financial Instruments Directive 2. So a good example of a security token would be a token where, given this token, or you've purchased this token and you're relying on a company be successful and you're going to receive shares from that company off the back of holding this token. Yeah, or another example of a security token would be somebody tells you that, you know, if you buy this token, you buy it, you're going to be given $10,000, you know, over X amount of period of time. That may be classed as a security. Okay, so hopefully that helps. Utility tokens, which can be redeemed for access to a specific product or service that is typically provided using the DLT platform. So a good example of a utility token would be something like 𝗖𝗢𝗠𝗠𝗡𝗏. Yeah, because you are buying the token, you're depositing it on the website for access to a service or a platform, right? That is a utility token. That is not a security token. So hopefully that helps. Okay, the Task Force Crypto Assets Framework. Different crypto assets vary significantly in the rights they gain their owners, as well as their actual and potential use. Given the variety and complexity of applications, the task force has developed a framework which takes into account the different uses of these three different types of crypto assets identity above. Crypto assets are typically used as a means of exchange, functioning as a decentralized tool to enable the buying and selling of goods and services, or to facilitate regulated payment services. So that's one. Two, an investment for investment, which firms and consumers gain direct exposure by holding and trading crypto asset, or indirectly exposed by holding and trading financial instruments that reference crypto assets. 3, to support capital raising and or the creation of a decentralized network through initial coin offerings, ICO. And we go to 2.13. While crypto assets can be used as a means of exchange, they are not considered to be a currency or money, as both the Bank of England and the G20 finance ministers and central bank governors have previously set out. They are too volatile to be a good store of value. They are not widely accepted as a means of exchange, and they are not used as a unit of account. 2.14. ICOs, or token sales, can be used in the creation of a decentralized network and or a digital way of raising funds from the public by issuing a project-specific exchange security or utility token in exchange for an existing crypto asset or fiat currency. Firms using ICOs as an alternative to traditional capital raising instruments, and in many cases use the funds raised to develop or improve services provided using the DLT platform. Individuals and firms typically buy ICO tokens as an instrument to secure access to a specific service or to gain other rights attached to a token. Once issued, the crypto assets may also be traded on a secondary market. Okay. Chart 2b provides a high-level overview of these types of crypto assets and their most common uses. These categories are not mutually exclusive. The way a crypto asset is used or its features mean that it could fall under several categories at one time or at different points in its life cycle. For example, a firm may use an ICO to issue a new cryptocurrency to raise capital, category B, and an investor may buy that crypto asset for an investment purpose, category 2. Bitcoin was originally intended for a means of exchange, category 1, and is still used as such by some. However, most current users of Bitcoin hold it for investment purposes category 2. The FCA will keep this framework under review and update if necessary as the crypto asset market continues to develop. So here we go. We've got the different categories here, right? Let me see if I can zoom this in so we can see that a little bit better. Yeah, we should be able to see that now. So type of crypto assets, an exchange asset. So 1A, as a means of exchange. 1B, to facilitate regulated payment services. Yeah. 2B, for direct investment. 2B, for indirect investment. Okay, so if your crypto currency or your crypto investment is in that camp, then it's an exchange token. B, security token. So number 3, as a capital raising tool. 2A, for direct investment. 2B, for direct investment. Okay, so if it sits in there, then it's a security token. Utility token. So 3, as a capital raising tool. 2A, for direct investment. 2B, for indirect investment. So that diagram should help you identify whether the project that you're invested in, whether it's an exchange token, a security token, or a utility token. I'm not going to go into any more on here. I kind of feel like this should really answer the questions that we've got, right? Like, you should now be able to go away, figure out what it is that you hold. You know, you have to go do your own research. There isn't a magical list that the FCA have got, unfortunately. So you have only got this framework to work with. Hopefully this video was useful and informative. If it was, don't forget to hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell button, and select all notifications so you never miss a thing. Right, take care everyone. See you in the next one.